the cooking with chocolate donuts, and we will be cooking today egg and toast.
So guys, I don't really know what he's gonna be making together. I don't know if it's scrambled. He's not gonna tell me. I'm just gonna be monitoring, make sure he doesn't burn the house down. Correct?
Yeah.
So let's get into it.
I don't know how to make it. I just don't want it. Definitely not making more food though. Just don't have hard boiled.
Wait, you wanna hard boil your eggs?
I said I don't want it. I said I don't have one.
There's a pot.
I mean, I don't want them.
Oh, okay.
I want to decide of it. That is. This will require 2 eggs, I guess. You know, one like 2 sunny side.
Well, you have to cook for me. I have to try it too. You gotta cook for your guests first, and then cook for yourself.
Okay, so we're gonna need 4 eggs. But I don't want them.
Okay. So, what are you doing with the eggs?
I need a pan.
I got him a pan.
I got meat. I don't know when I did that. Egg! No. Started.
What? What heat do you want me to put it on?
I don't know. I don't know how to cook it.
It's your cooking show.
7.
We'll put it at medium. Right? Whatever you want it.
Mamma mia, pizza.
That's the correct burner. You need a spatula?
Spatula.
Okay.
Ravioli, give me the ravioli.
There's a spatula.
Spatula. It's starting. Ooh, touchy.
Okay, so what does your recipe call for?
2 eggs.
Okay.
And bread.
Okay. So.
I can't grab every egg shells out, so some drops. Guess we're making scrambled. That's it. That's gonna be mine, I guess.
No, you cook for your person first.
Okay. I need to wash my hands.
Should crack it a little more. I think that was your mistake last time. Oh, more man.
Wash your hands after doing raw eggs, unless you want to die. Drops phone. I don't know what this is gonna turn out today. If it's gonna be like scrambled or I don't know.
You gonna put seasoning on? Apparently we're using salt. By the way, I'm not really telling him anything right now. He asked me how this works. I didn't know.
Perfection. Now I need pepper. I don't know how you put this pepper. What? Pepper!
By the way, guys, he's cooking for me right now. I'm gonna try it, then he's gonna cook for himself, and then he's gonna try it. Right?
Yeah, for myself.
It's really not even how you make scrambled eggs either, so.
Yeah, no. It's gonna be a mix of white and scrambled. Look, you get to.
So what is going on?
I have no idea.
This is gonna be our breakfast, by the way.
Oh. That's all we're gonna get food for.
Are you seriously like thinking this is gonna be good?
No.
Well, try to make it good then.
I mean, I don't think it just doesn't cook. I mean, the white is like kind of.
Just so you guys know, we still also have toast to cook. So if you want to follow this recipe, just follow everything we've done in this video.
Yeah.
Try donuts, amazing eggs. What do you want?
Whiskers,
We are whisking the eggs now. Here.
Okay.
Are you done with this?
Yes.
Look at those eggs.
I mean, it looks okay. Still not the best.
We'll come back when something exciting happens. Are you done with the whisk?
Yeah. I've never made this before.
Hope they taste good.
Probably not, no. It's still watery. But it's starting to form scrambled eggs. That's right there. It's very wet though. Yeah, watery. Probably gonna buy.
I wouldn't be surprised if we did.
Look at it.
Yeah?
Egg.
Yeah?
Egg. It's probably gonna suck. It looks very good. It's probably gonna be bad. Actually,
To be honest, man, we'll have you try your breakfast first. And if it's good, then you can mine. Or I'll just go mine.
I'm on it.
Okay.
I thought this was gonna be yours.
Nah, you gotta try yours. Okay? So what do you do next? Do you just want to have the eggs alone, or do you want to make toast?
I'm just gonna try this first.
Yeah, I just took them off the pan.
It doesn't smell good.
It doesn't smell good.
I'm not doing this.
Why?
I need to cook them better. I need to like whisk them in the bowl. Cause like, it's like so watery. I mean, if you want to try it, go ahead.
You say this episode was a fail. Can I tell you the way you're normally Can I tell you the way you're normally supposed to cook scrambled eggs? Okay, so when you normally cook scrambled eggs, you put eggs in a bowl and you pour in milk and you mix it all together and then you pour it there and you let it cook and you just keep using your spatula to form the egg. How does that? Is that interesting to you?